everyone. Do you know who this is? This is an owl. It's a really funny bird that gets up at night. And do you know what an owl says when he gets up at night? When owls get up in the morning, whoops, they don't get up in the morning. When owls get up in the evening, they always say hello. When owls get up in the evening, they always say hello. And what do they say? They say, woo, 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 woo. Most birds, unlike an owl, get up in the morning. So when I got up this morning, I heard some birds, and the first bird I heard was a robin. When robins get up in the morning, they always say hello. When robins get up in the morning, they always say hello. And what do they say? That's right, they say tweet, woo, tweet, woo, tweet, woo. This morning when I got up, I also heard some chickadees, and chickadees like to say their own names. So when chickadees get up in the morning, they always say hello. When chickadees get up in the morning, they always say hello. And what do they say? They say chickadee-dee-dee, chickadee-dee-dee, chickadee-dee-dee. Okay, so we're going to read a book that has lots of bird songs in it, and it's actually called Birdsong, and it's by Ellie Sandall. Here's the cover. Some pretty exciting birds on the front, isn't there? Okay, here we go. There's a tree. I don't see any birds. When we're reading this book, have a look at every picture and see if you can find the butterfly. One small bird in a tree, and this bird says, kitcha, kitcha, kee, 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 kitcha, kitcha, kee, kee, kee. Did you see the butterfly? Here's another, come and see. And this bird says, yura, yura, rah, rah, wee, yura, yura, rah, rah, wee. Kitcha, kitcha, kee, 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 kitcha, kitcha, kee, kee, kee. Oh, more birds. Two more pairs of landing feet. Two more friendly birds to greet. And do you know what these ones say? Chukka, chukka, weet, 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 chukka, chukka, weet, weet, weet. And this guy says, chicka, chicka, tweet, 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 chicka, chicka, tweet, tweet, tweet. Oh, and then there's these guys. Yura, yura, wee, 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 yura, yura, wee, wee, wee. Oh, kitcha, kitcha, kee, 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 kitcha, kitcha, kee, kee, kee. Oh, we know this bird, don't we? Now when owls come into view. Oh, and he says, to-wit, 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 to-woo, to-wit, 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 to-woo. And all these guys are talking too. So we have chicka, chicka, weet, weet, weet. And then we have chicka, chicka, tweet, tweet, tweet. And we have yura, yura, rah, rah, wee, yura, yura, rah, rah, wee. And kitcha, kitcha, kee, 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 kitcha, kitcha, kee, kee, kee. Oh, here's a parrot, brown and blue. Are you guys remembering to look for the butterfly? And he says, roo-too, roo-too, roo-too-too, roo-too, roo-too, roo-too-too. Oh, and here's the rest of them. What a crowd, what a crew. To-wit, 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 to-woo, to-wit, 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 to-woo. And chukka, chukka, weet, 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 chukka, chukka, weet, 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 chicka, chicka, weet, chicka, chicka, tweet, 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 chicka, chicka, tweet, tweet, tweet. Oh, and these guys down here, yura, yura, wee, 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 yura, yura, wee, wee, wee. And chicka, chicka, kee, 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 chicka, chicka, kee, kee, kee. What a truly splendid view, and what a noise they're making too. That's a lot of birdsong. 2 more birds have made the trip. 2 more, whoa. And this guy's saying, Kiri, Kiri. And this guy is saying, kip, 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 kip. Kiri, Kiri, kip, kip, kip. Kiri, Kiri, kip, kip, kip. Okay, we're going to do all the rest of them. Are you ready? Help me out here. Roo-too, roo-too, roo-too-too-too. To-wit, 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 to-woo. And chaka, chaka, weet, weet, weet. Chaka, chaka, weet, weet, weet. Chicka, chicka, tweet, tweet, tweet. Yura, yura, yura. Rah-rah-ree, yura, yura. Rah-rah-ree. And kitcha, kitcha, kee, kee, kee. There they all are. And do you see the butterfly? Oh, all is quiet, all is still, not a sound. Look what's coming. At least until, oh, look at that branch. Oh, a huge bird with a mighty beak joins them with a piercing shriek. He says, look at how big the letters are. Oh, what's happening? That's too loud, I think. He's making them all fall off. Oh, he's looking pretty happy on the branch all by himself. Do you think that was his plan? Now this bird thinks his job is done. The little branch is all his own. He hasn't seen the butterfly gently, gently floating by. Look out, bird. She softly lands, and in a flash, crack! Uh-oh, the branch is breaking. What's gonna happen? Crash! The biggest bird, the loudest call. But whatever could have made him fall? What do you think made him fall? Oh, that's right, the butterfly made him fall. Oh, and look, everybody else is back. Yay! So that was Birdsong by Ellie Sandall. Thank you. Yay. So I'm going to sing goodbye to you now. See you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile, give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, mwah, jellyfish, see you soon, big baboon, out the door, dinosaur, take care, polar bear, wave goodbye, butterfly, butterfly, just like in the book, bye-bye butterflies.